control.
Hey guys, well, Tampa, and I'm gonna do a bike check. So the bike that I have is a We the People Nova, and I've been really loving it actually. It is a nice feel, and I like the handlebars, like kind of flat but a little bit tilted backwards, and has a nice leather seat, red pedals, all the normal BMX stuff. And I'll show you my gloves. I have Shadow gloves. I got these at Wheel Mill. Hashtag I love Wheel Mill. Hashtag stay with Scotty. And I think they're pretty cool. I got a 661 helmet that I broke off the top trying to do a trick, and also my dog tried to eat it. And that's pretty cool. I'm not having any stickers right now, but I probably will put some on. So yeah, that is my BMX bike check.